exterior, the interior, the engine, what everything looks like. All right. So without further ado, here's the slideshow, y'all.
That's that opportunity, everyone's what you get. Gotta keep your shoes laced up, walk them miles a day. The clock's ticking, only have a few seconds left. Time's running out, ask yourself, where the hell do I go to next? That money, the fortune and fame, bitches are dollars you thinking you made. People look up to you, the ones that they fake. Fuck it, we all make mistakes. Finally see me running around, it's a brand new J.
What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. This is Skylyfe Projects. Hope everybody's doing good and staying super blessed. Got the Type R here in the background, sitting pretty as usual. But yeah, you guys, I'm back, you know, and I know I am not consistent with uploads, and for that I apologize. But I have a very busy lifestyle, including my back issues on top of it. And by the way, I did receive my lumbar injection, my epidural. And bro, it was not pretty. Let me tell you, the first 6 days I was going through even more pain than I started with. But after that 6th day, my health just started feeling better. Like honestly, I can walk around, I can maneuver myself around, I'm able to drive the R, I'm able to drive the Mini, you know, that's at the house right now. I'm at an undisclosed location, but anyways, welcome back, everybody. I love you guys. I appreciate all my subscribers. I believe it's like 252 that I have, but doesn't matter. I appreciate all 252 of you. Thank you for sticking around. And in this video, we are going to talk about whether or not I am getting the FL5 to add to the collection. Does that mean I'm trading this in? No, bro. I'm not trading in my beloved, beautiful 21 FK Type R for an FL5. That's just not happening. Would I add it to the collection? Who knows? Or maybe, just maybe, there's a better car out there that makes more sense for me, you know, because it's what I'm going to be driving around, but it's also going to be another project added to the channel. So I have this plan. I want you guys to stick around here for it, and I want you to find out. So let's get this video started. Oh, before we do, please like, please subscribe, hit that notification bell so you always be alerted for future uploads like this. Love you guys. Skylyfe Projects. Let's go. All right. So let's discuss this topic, right? The FL5, 2023. It's hitting dealerships, Arizona, Texas, California, North Carolina, whole bunch of different states, right? So there's a huge hype around that car right now, right? The reviews are coming out left and right. And previously I did a video on it, whether, you know, it was worth its price, what do I think of it, the changes that came, you know, from Honda, you know, things like that. So you guys can check out that video. I'll probably throw it up here in the description or something like that. But anyways, talking about the FL5, it just still, to me, and from the previous video, I'm going to say the same thing. The design just doesn't work for me, bro. Like, no matter how many times I watch the videos, I read the reviews, you know, and just look at pictures that are online, Google them, everything. I've done my part, but it's like, it just doesn't fit my style, you know what I mean? Because when you look at my R, I have it the way I want it to be, right? But a lot of people are saying that the FK8 is styled just too much. Too much is going on with it. It's Racer Boy, it's Ricer, you know, things like that. But I totally think differently, right? I believe it was styled correctly. I applaud Honda for the way that they styled this vehicle. Honestly, I love it. I love everything I did to it, you know, from the aftermarket parts to the aerodynamics to the styling to the performance, everything. So this car is not going anywhere. it's gonna be passed down to my son. I'm literally keeping this car, you guys, for life. And I promised you that on the channel, and I'm keeping that promise. So, well, Jay, what are you going to get then? Great question. If it's not the FL5, what car would it be? Logically, let's think about this for a second. You have a front wheel drive, right? It's turbo, it's boosted, high performance, great handling car, still can take my kids around, still can take the wife around. I could take it to the track, which I obviously haven't done yet, but I plan to do so. But then I have the Mini, which used to be the 2019 one, front wheel drive. Then you guys saw in that video, I traded in. I understand there's not a lot of Mini fans here, but I have a purpose for that car. It's the daily driver, it's all-wheel drive. It gets me around in the weather conditions, things like that. Plenty of room for my kids in the back. It's a great vehicle, you guys. I don't know why everybody hates on Mini so much. I feel you should just drive one and then make your opinion based off how you feel when you drove it, right? From the comfort to the convenience, luxury, everything like that. So, let's count this. Front wheel drive, Type R. All-wheel drive, the Mini. The third car will be rear-wheel drive, right? And you've guys seen, I mean, the ones that have been with the channel for a long time, I had a C43 AMG all-wheel drive that was on the channel. But before that, I had a 2018 BMW, what was it? 340i M Sport. I couldn't even think about it for a second. And that was rear wheel drive. Then on top of that, I had an M550i that was all wheel drive. Did not like that car at all, the M550. I had it for literally 3 months and then I ditched it again, which was stupid, but I just didn't like it. It was too heavy, it was a boat. Okay, enough of that. So basically what I'm trying to say here is German engineering, yeah, you guys, I'm still a fan. I love Honda, right? I love the Honda for its purpose, for what it's used for. But I'm thinking, and you guys can put it in the comments if you want, what do you think about me getting a brand new 2024, okay, that'll probably be the year I get it, or maybe even 2025, but a G87 M2. That's right, rear wheel drive. It's got 415, what is it? Excuse me, 400, I don't know, I'll throw the horsepower figures up here. I just lost my mind for a second. So I'll throw it up here for the new G87 M2. It's right here with the pound-feet of torque, okay? But, you guys, I don't have a two-door added to the collection. And that new M2 looks aggressive as fuck, bro. Straight up. I think it is an amazing looking car. I love everything about it. Even the back, like people say they hate. I actually really enjoy the route BMW took with the new M2. I think it's super aggressive. I think it's really in your face, just like the Type R, right? It's got the lines, it's got the body kit, it's got the flared fenders coming out, the nice rear, you know what I'm saying? But, okay. But yeah, it's got a nice front. I love the side skirts, everything, okay? So this one, I actually feel would be more feasible to add to the collection over the FL5. And there is no markup through my connection. That's right. I do have a BMW Connect. The FL5 Arrowhead Honda, $20,000 in markup, bro. So you're looking at paying almost, what is it, $68,000, $70,000 out the door for an FL5 and AZ? Because that's what they're all going for right now, right? $20,000 above MSRP. That's insane. I would never do something like that, right? But for the M2, that comes into play at MSRP. It's rear wheel drive. So I would have front wheel drive, I would have all wheel drive, and I would have rear wheel drive added to the collection. Let me know what you guys think about that in the comments. But what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna throw up like a little slideshow here of pictures of the M2, okay? Then I'm gonna come back, I'm gonna throw up a slideshow of pictures of the FL5 from the exterior, the interior, the engine, what everything looks like, all right? So, without further ado, here's the slideshow, y'all.
And I swear I got that power, the power to devour all you cowards looking at me sour, trying to get mine. I've been chasing fame, so don't be wasting my time, nah. Man of the hour, man of the hour, and I swear I got that power, the power to devour all you cowards looking at me sour, trying to get mine. I've been chasing fame, so don't be wasting my time, nah. This world's so distant, but that don't ever stop me. Y'all need to listen up promptly before ever trying to doubt me. That money and power, shit's overrated. Y'all sound sour, so dictated. You mad after what I created, that masterpiece in the fucking making. Like yeah, no time to sleep. You can hug your pillow tight. Like Freddy, I beat your dreams every night. Scare me to senseless, makes when I turn out the lights. Feel the relentless, no holding back. New J putting it.
All right, you guys, that was the slideshow for the G87 M2. What did you guys think? Please put your opinions in the comments. Look at that interior, bro. I understand, it's okay, it's a full display. Cool. We're in 2022, going into 2023. Technology matters. We don't have to have an EV vehicle, right? But to me, if I'm paying, what is it, 65, 73,000, okay, for a brand new M2, I'm gonna wanna have those features in the interior as well, right? It's gonna have the performance, it's gonna have the necessities, it's gonna have that beautiful interior. Still gonna be able to fit my kids in the back too, in case I need to. This car though, which I wanna do, is going to be a beautiful project car. When I get it, wait till you guys see what I do with it, man. It's gonna be just as aggressive as this, maybe even more in your face. It's gonna have beautiful wheels, it's gonna be lowered real nice, but yeah, that's the G87 M2. So now I'm gonna pause the video and now I'm gonna show you the slideshow of the FL5. Much love and blessings, y'all.
When I'm drunk or high, I only fuck with you when I'm blow. I only fuck with you when I'm drunk or high. Only fuck with you when I'm blow. I was whipping through your city, chasing down a dream. If I show up to your city, they gon' treat me like a king. I was whipping in your city, chasing down a dream. If your girl look at me once, I recruit her to the team.
Shout out to my A1s who had my back since day one. Motivated, don't give a fuck what hood or rep where I came from. What said is done, y'all can't take it back. Watch me attack these tracks. Too many y'all my case, y'all need to relax. Sit back and spit these facts. Ease your mind, make it feel that pain. Coming at me in a major way. Big mistake, this is life in a movie here, no second takes. I be in that limelight shining. Up in the corner, I be grinding. Flipping the bird at the haters who want it. New diamond bed, so call my name, that's perfect timing. Ain't nobody on a paper chase like me. Not my pedigree, rep that shit till I die. All for my destiny. All my haters can rest in peace. My team roll up, pull up with the weapon squeeze. Watch these bitches, it's a fold up, drop right down here to the knees. Feeling defeat like 3P, I repeat. On the low, riding solo, screaming YOLO with my team. Man, I be making all that money. Watch these hundreds fall in front of me. Trying to be the next thing that these fools don't wanna see.
I only fuck with you when I'm drunk or high. I only fuck with you when I'm blow.
Alright, you guys, that was the slideshow for the new 2023, the brand new FL5. You guys seen it in a previous video, but I wanted to show it again, a little more detail with the interior, the exterior, the engine, shots, things like that. Hope you guys enjoyed both slideshows. I want your guys' opinions though. Do you think I'm actually going to make the right choice of getting the G87 M2, or should I just get the FL5 and save a lot of money? To me, it doesn't make much sense, and I'm just being honest with you. The only reason I would upgrade to the FL5, it's not gonna be the engine, okay? I already have more power than the FL5, right? Okay, it makes 315 horsepower, but that's not what would attract me. What actually attracts me, the only thing, and you guys are probably gonna laugh at this, is the interior. Yeah, that's right. The infotainment system, the way the interior is designed, the new seats, things like that. That's honestly the only thing I can say I would really upgrade for, okay? But it doesn't make much sense to me because of how much work I've done with the, let me show you guys here, right there, with the Type R, okay? So there's just a lot of work done to it, man. And you know, there's so much work and so much money put into it. Why would I want to throw this away for the FL5 and to start the whole process over again? I'm almost done with this car, about maybe 78%, I would say. I still want to do a big turbo. I still want to do a full carbon fiber front lip splitter combo from CMST. You know, I want to add the side skirts full carbon fiber, not the fake stuff anymore. So it's like, bro, it just makes a lot of sense to me. Let me put the camera back up here. All right, so that's it. That's what this video is about. I want your guys' opinions. I want you to put in the comments which third car, the third project car I should be doing. Well, technically it's the second project car because the Mini's the daily driver, right? But then it also comes down to, okay, well, I need a 3-car garage, right? I don't want a car really sitting out of the garage. The house I'm currently at has 2-car garage, okay? I've never rented a house, never rented an apartment, anything like that. These are straight mortgages, but this house I'm at is a flip. So once I flip that, that's where the money's gonna come from to get the M2, all right, G87. That's what I'm thinking about. Also, another contender was the Audi RS3, but I want the M2 because it has a manual and it's rear-wheel drive. The Audi, it's all-wheel drive, no manual, and the interior sucks, bro. Straight up, I think the interior is trash in the Audi. Sorry, Audi, but I don't like your guys' interiors in the new RS3. I think the old one is even better. I really do. It's more racy, it just makes more sense to me. But, all right, you guys, as you can see, it's getting dark out. It's getting chilly in AZ. And this is Skylyfe Projects. Love you guys. Until next time, another video, another project. All right, love you guys. Here we go.